Here I have VIVO Y36, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So first you should open settings, then you should go to the storage section, switch from this device to SD card, then go to manage storage. Tap on three dots here and select format. Then tap format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.